Here's a detailed 2026 comparison between the new Honda NSX-Tribute by Italdesign and the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Two very different takes on sports car legend and performance. Honda NSX-Tribute 2026. What it is: a bespoke homage to the Honda NSX, blending design cues from the iconic original and second generation. Crafted by Italian design house Italdesign in ultra-limited numbers, with new bodywork, roof scoop, bespoke aero touches, and interior trim upgrades. Positioned more as an artful limited collector's piece than a factory production supercar. Performance and mechanical. Retains the original second-generation NSX's hybrid twin-turbo 3.5 LV6 drivetrain with electric motors and all-wheel drive. Likely unchanged peak output, 570-600 HP range. Italdesign hasn't announced official power upgrades. Suspension, gearbox, battery and motor hardware are carried over from the donor NSX. Focus is design and exclusivity rather than outright performance gains. Styling and heritage. Strong visual references to the first-gen NSX, pop-up inspired elements, iconic proportions blended with modern lines. Unique bespoke wheels, spoilers, and tribute badging make it distinct from regular NSX models. Pros: unique collectible with retro modern appeal. Honda heritage with bespoke Italian design. Hybrid sports car underbody. Cons: very limited and likely very expensive. Right-hand drive only, not mainstream globally. Not a significant performance leap over standard NSX. 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Performance highlights: 701 horsepower and 590 lb-ft from a 3.6L flat 6T hybrid powertrain, Porsche's most powerful 911 ever. 0 to 60 miles per hour around 2.4 to 2.5s, sub 10s quarter mile, and a claimed 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour, top speed. Hybrid tech uses twin electric turbochargers and a compact high-voltage battery for instant boost and reduced lag. Driving dynamics and tech. All-wheel drive with Porsche traction management and advanced chassis systems at PDCC, active aero. Wider tires, ceramic brakes, and enhanced aero contribute to big performance gains. Nürburgring time 7:03.92. Available as coupe or cabriolet, with high-end interior features and customizable options. Pros: benchmark performance and everyday usability. Hybrid power adds punch and efficiency. Strong handling and track capability. Cons: less iconic design statement, more evolutionary than revolutionary. Direct comparison summary. Performance. Porsche clearly wins the performance battle in outright speed, power, and technological advancement. Its hybrid twin-turbo system pushes more power and quicker acceleration than the NSX-Tribute's likely unchanged powertrain. Design and exclusivity. The NSX-Tribute is about heritage and exclusivity, an artisanal reinterpretation with bespoke styling that appeals to collectors and enthusiasts. Here, passion and rarity outweigh pure numbers. Practicality and usability. The Turbo S is a practical high-end sports car with everyday usability, comprehensive tech, and dealer support, whereas the NSX-Tribute is a niche, limited, almost bespoke project. Value proposition. The Turbo S offers high performance for a known price, $270K, $286K, with broad dealer availability. The NSX Tribute's pricing is speculative and likely much higher due to its limited nature and custom transformations. Verdict: choose the Honda NSX-Tribute if you want a rare collector vehicle with bespoke styling, a tribute to automotive history with modern hybrid roots. Choose the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S if you want world-class performance and acceleration, the latest technology and usability in a sports car, a proven benchmark with daily drivability. Engineering philosophy: Honda-NSX-Tribute, Italdesign. Emotion-driven engineering. The NSX-Tribute is not meant to reset lap records. Its engineering goal is to celebrate the NSX legacy through design, balance, and usability. Human-centered performance. Like the original NSX, it emphasizes approachability, confidence, and smooth hybrid assistance rather than brutal speed. Hybrid as support. Electric motors mainly enhance response, torque fill, and AWD grip, not headline power figures. Craft over scale. Hand-finished body panels, bespoke aero pieces, and custom interior elements matter more than production efficiency. Think of it as a designer's statement piece built on proven supercar bones. Porsche 911 Turbo S, 2026. Relentless optimization. Every component exists to improve speed, stability, and repeatable performance. Hybrid for dominance. Porsche's T-hybrid system is not about fuel savings. It's about instant boost, zero lag, and relentless acceleration. Systems integration. Engine, electric turbos, AWD, active aero, rear-wheel steering, and chassis electronics all work as one. Evolutionary perfection. Porsche doesn't reinvent the 911, it refines it until nothing is left on the table. This is a technology weapon, not a nostalgia piece. Driving experience and character. NSX-Tribute. Mid-engine balance neutral, predictable cornering. Electric AWD torque vectoring confidence at corner exit. Lower sensory overload, quieter, smoother, more refined than rivals. Special occasion feel. Every drive feels intentional and unique.